Digit my trap phone. Hit her from the back, I'm breaking her backbone. You buy some work for me, I'm putting tax on. Shoot it in the club, I'm feeling like tax on. Digit my trap phone. All of my sights on it and they loaded. I hit the Bitcoin, it just loaded. Pop me some Percocets, I'm getting loaded. Digit my trap phone. The fans come, then I'm throwing it.
What's up, Fox family? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Track and I'm here with my sister today. I happen to be over my mother's house and my little sister was here and she happens to get in the video with me. But today we're gonna teach y'all how to make a quick and easy thumbnail like popular YouTubers. Okay, before I get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, follow me on all my social media, which should pop up anywhere. And I don't think she has social media because you're not old enough.
I don't have a social media.
Yeah, all right. You see your phone. You better not have nothing on here. No, I ain't nothing on here. You can take your phone back. Had to make sure wasn't nothing on there. So a lot of people hit me up asking me, how do I make my thumbnails? And you know, is it complex? Is it hard to make a thumbnail? Or how long does it take? And what's the quickest and easiest way? So I narrowed it down to the quickest and easiest way. This is for iPhone users. You got an Android?
iPhone.
I got an iPhone too. You know how to use Android?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to use Android.
Bro, you suck.
Listen, hey, I got two iPhones, you feel me? I don't really know how to use the Android, so I don't even know if y'all got the same apps as us, you feel me? And no shade if you an Android user. This is no shade throwing. But this is just for iPhone users. The apps might be on Android, might be on the Android market, I'm not sure. They might be.
Android got different apps than us. So.
Okay, well, if you got an iPhone, this is gonna be a quick and easy tutorial on how to make thumbnails my way and like popular YouTubers. So let's get started. Okay, for this quick tutorial, of course, the first thing you're gonna need is your iPhone, and you also gonna need to download two apps. I'm pretty sure I use two apps. Yeah, you're gonna need, no, actually, you're gonna need to download three apps, not two, three apps. First one is Superimpose X, which I should have pop up. The next one is it Photo, which should pop up. And then the other one is Facetune. Download all three of those and follow along. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is open the Superimpose X app. As you can see, I already got a bunch of thumbnails that I've made before. We're gonna go back. We're gonna choose the picture we want. We gonna put this one. As you know, the YouTube thumbnail size is 16 by 9. So we're gonna click on that. What I'm gonna do is grab this and drag it down. Okay, so now you got one. I'm just make that layer disappear. This is your first layer. So we're gonna go back and we want to add another layer. And what we're gonna do is add the exact same picture again. 16 by 9. Drag that down. Boom. Okay, now here, let me make that go. Now you see you got both of your photos. I can move it. See, you got both of your photos. So what we're gonna do is go to layers. We're gonna go to that first, make sure you highlight that first picture. Then what we're gonna do, what I like to do is go to editor. We're gonna go to effects. And I like using, I mean, you can really use, you know, I feel like with this part, this is kind of, you're gonna blur the background, but you can use motion blur. You can use lens blur, you can zoom, you can use lights, glitch. Me, I prefer motion blur. And I'm gonna drag it. Once I get it, they give you an option to drag the image. I don't see, you can drag the image either way you go. So you just drag the image along. You kind of can play with it how you want to. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to the first picture we put. No, damn.
Second picture. How they put.
Okay. Okay, next we're gonna go back to the second picture that we uploaded. Click off the editor. We're gonna go to mask. We're gonna go to mask and tool. We're gonna hit that little lasso, which is in the corner right there. And what you wanna do is try to outline yourself, which it gives you a little window to help you zoom in. And basically all we're gonna do is cut ourselves out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to make sure you get it almost.
Almost perfect?
Yeah, kind of almost. You want to just be on the borderline of everything. I'm just going to cut me out, and I'm going to go around the whole picture. Just us. I'm just going to go around me and her in the picture. I'm not going to go around the whole entire picture. Just our bodies. So, let's get to it. Okay, now that you got the whole image highlighting, what you're gonna do is click on it, and as you see, it's just me and her cut out right there. And now what I like to do, I'm gonna add another layer. So I'm gonna go down here, I'm gonna press this plus symbol at the bottom, photo layer. And at the bottom where it say photo, search, mask, colors, we're gonna click on colors. What color should we put this thumbnail in? You pick a color.
Color.
Yeah.
Let's do
Hurry up.
red.
You wanna do red?
Yeah.
Don't seem like really a red type of time, but we can do red.
You want to do?
That ain't red. We gotta go to, where are my bright colors at?
So we want to do like, can you blend colors?
Yeah, I can blend colors.
Let's do like a, it's not really a scary video, so.
Okay.
Kind of like a greenish, kind of yellowish, kind of little.
We gonna go with that. Okay, so once you bring up a color photo, what you wanna do is go to transform, then you wanna go to fit to canvas. Once you fit it to canvas, now you see everything is red, but you wanna go to layers, go to blend, go to overlay. Then what you wanna do is that picture that you cut out over here in your layers tab, you want to grab it and drag that one up and boom. See how it brings your picture? Once you drag them above each other, it overlaps them. So whichever one is first, gonna be the first image, which is pretty cool. So now from here, this is what I do. Go back to editor, go to tools, then we're gonna go all the way over to mask outline. And that's gonna give you that white outline. Boom. You can mess with it as much as you want. I don't really mess with it. But then once I accept it, I click on mask outline again. Then I go and make the line black just to give it that effect that pops out kind of. And boom, what I'm gonna do is go to transform, make the image a little bit bigger. I know. Hold on, I gotta mess with it a little bit. I'm not done, so give me a minute. Matter of fact, we're gonna put us in the middle. Make us a little smaller, put us in the middle. Then I'm gonna go to editor. I'm gonna go to filters. I'm gonna go to colors, turn up the saturation, just to make it look a little bit more livelier. Go to basic, turn up the contrast a little bit. That just make you pop a little bit more like that. Then I'm gonna go back to layers. I'm gonna go to cast shadow. I'm gonna take that up. I'm gonna take the blur amount up and then give you that dark shadow around you that make the image really pop. Okay, now I had to make a little bit of adjustments on the photo because I didn't really like the positioning. But I think I like this one. So we're gonna save it right here. Still not finished, still got a way to go. We're gonna save that right there, then we're gonna bring it over to the photo app. We gonna open it in the photo app. You said what? What you whispering? What you say? Okay, so now that we in the photo app, we still not finished with it. We still got a long way to go. And as you can see at the top of my head on this picture, it's kind of a gap. So I'm gonna try to fill that in with like lettering or something, because that happens sometimes when you're not in the full frame and you cut yourself out. So what I'm gonna do is go to add text. I'm gonna type in how to. No, I'm just gonna do how first. So then I'm gonna hit style, and what I wanna do is go to stroke. I choose black, I go to the bottom where it says width, and boom. Then I go back to text. I go up to style, go over, add the shadow, which all you gotta do is just add a little shadow to it. Go back to color. Then what you wanna do is go all the way down to create color pattern. Where it says horizontal at the top, you wanna click on that, turn it to vertical. And see, this is where you can add your colors in. And this is where a lot of YouTubers, this is like a YouTuber secret, the lettering, which this is not really the way I do it. I just want to show y'all the easier way to do it. It's a different way where you got to go on this app and use the plain image. Then you can put your letters, but that's a little bit complex. We just going to do it the easy way. So what we're going to do is turn that white,
like that
one, and then that one. And it's gonna give you like that real YouTuber lettering.
Mm-hmm.
Then you're gonna apply. Done.
Yeah, put it in.
Yeah, you gotta make it bigger though.
How?
The size into it, you just hit size. So basically, and then you wanna tilt it. Let me see if I could cover up this little space on my head. I'm gonna make it up. How? See how I covered up the space? Let's make it a little bit smaller.
So tilt it, make smaller.
Yeah. How? Then we gonna put, let's try 2. But you basically gotta repeat the step for everything. That's probably one of the drawbacks to this, is that if you don't put all the lettering together, you gotta do it individually. So you gotta go in and do the shadow, the pattern change and all that every time. Change it to vertical.
It's only for like YouTube channels, or you go
No, I mean this is pretty much
photos too.
Yeah, you can do it for photos for sure.
Oh, bet. I'm not download this.
Oh, you saying you gotta put letters on your photos?
Yep.
Okay, and we just gonna play around with the lettering a little bit.
How to
make. That's the only thing. You just gotta go in and do it every time.
Yes.
If you don't put, but that's only if you don't put, you know, like if it's all one thing, like if you put a whole sentence, then you fine. But if you do it like this, where you kind of want to put stuff everywhere, then it's gonna take you a minute.
Yeah.
But you gotta put the work in if you want it to come out how you want it to come out.
It's gotta go like that. It's gotta.
And we gonna take this a little bit smaller.
And tilt it, maybe. How to make.
You want to tilt it? Think I should tilt it?
Yeah, let's see what it look like when it tilts.
Like that?
Let me see.
Can you really? Is
Yeah.
it difficult to read like that?
No, how to make a.
Cause I would read how to make thumbnails.
How to make a thumbnail.
How to make a thumbnail?
Yeah.
A? Should we say A?
How to make thumbnail.
How to make thumbnail. I don't sound right either. How to make a thumbnail. Quick and easy. Yep. Okay, so what we gonna do? I got an idea. We gonna make this smaller. So we gonna put A in there. So how to, we gonna raise makeup. How to make.
It really just leave it like that. Then when you're done with that, the thumbnail, you can be like, how to make a thumbnail. Quick and easy.
I got it. How to make a thumbnail. Okay. Size, we gotta definitely make the size smaller. Once again, you gotta go back and do all of this.
Yep.
For the last time. Style, shadow, back, color pattern, vertical, boom, 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 apply, done.
How to make a thumbnail.
Is that great enough though? Should we tilt that?
No, we good.
You want to tilt it just a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
We're going to tilt it.
Slightly. There you go.
It looks like we should make it bigger. And that's just the thing with the thumbnails. You can play around with it, man. You don't necessarily have to follow no code. You actually can make it the way you want to make it. Just like I did. How that look?
Good.
We need an emoji. Add emojis to it. We're not finished. I still got to take it through the other app. But you want to add some type of emoji because, you know, people like emojis. What emoji should we put for this? Should we put the brain, like the mind-blown brain? Quick and easy?
Yeah.
Boom. Okay, we're going to put the mind-blown brain. We're going to put it up there. Raise the size of it. That's too big.
Mind is blown.
We got to tilt that sucker. Tilt.
How to make
And then, hold on, we're going to add another emoji, the fire emoji.
Like.
Because it's fire. Then we going to make that smaller. We're going to put that under the thumbnail.
Because it's going to be fire.
Boom. Okay. So right here, you like it? Like that?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let me reset. Let me go one more side down on that. Boom. I just wanted to fit all the way in the frame.
Let's go.
Okay, now we're going to save it. We're going to save image. Boom. Image is saved. And now we're going to take it to the Facetune app, which I have something on there already. That was my last thumbnail I did. Make sure y'all go check out that video. Unboxing lighting equipment for my YouTube office. Okay, so what we going to do, we on the Facetune app now. We going to click. You all right?
Yeah.
What just
A
happened?
little bit.
Okay. So once we in the Facetune app, we going to go to retouch. And what we going to go is go to details. And what we going to do is draw on our face. Just to make it, just to see how we going to see. We also make it smoother though. You want details, but you don't want it to be hard like that. Look at that. You don't want to look.
Messed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we some old people.
We're going to add features to our face, but you don't want to, it's up to you how deep you go with the details, but I'm not going to go too deep. I'm just going to go a little bit, just to add a little bit of detail to it.
A little bit.
And yeah, I like that right there.
That's
Okay.
the one you usually go to?
Yep. Then we going to save it, and boom, that's our thumbnail. How you like it?
Awesome.
Basically, this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to make a quick thumbnail if you're a beginner YouTuber. I'm just showing y'all on the iPhone. If y'all want me to drop more videos, and like I do them on my laptop too. I got a MacBook. I can show y'all in Photoshop. And also how I make my intro, how I made my intro and everything. If y'all want more videos like this, please make sure y'all let me know.
Yeah,
hit that like button.
I want to know how you do your songs and intros.
How I do my intros?
Yeah,
I should do that video next, how I make video intros.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should. If y'all want more tutorials on how to do quick and easy stuff if you're a YouTuber, please let me know by hitting that like button and leave a comment telling me y'all want more videos like this, and subscribe to the channel. This is a quick and easy way on the iPhone to make thumbnails like popular YouTubers. Great job, high five. Okay, it's time for me to go home.